Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your very own custom domain in ffm. Now, you'll be able to completely replace the standard ffm.to with your own domain like myartistname.com. This gives you a way to use your own custom domain for all your smart links and landing pages, making them more recognizable and consistent with your brand to your fans. First, head over to the ffm dashboard, click your account on the top right, and go to Custom Domains. Click Add Domain. Here, you'll see two options, root domain and subdomain. A root domain replaces the entire link, like myartistname.com. To use this option, the domain you use can only be used for ffm and nothing else. This is best to give a clean and branded look to your smart links. A subdomain, on the other hand, uses a prefix like links.myartistname.com. If you prefer to keep your root domain and use for other activity like your artist website, this option gives you the flexibility to do that. For this first example, we'll choose a root domain. Enter your domain and click Next. Now you'll see the instructions to update your DNS settings. For this demo, I'll show you how to do it in GoDaddy, but if you have a different provider, it'll be a similar process. If you're using a root domain, you'll need to add an A record in your domain provider and point it to the IP address shown here. Go to your GoDaddy dashboard, find your domain and click DNS. Under Records, click Add. Set the type to A, set the name to the @ symbol, and copy and paste the IP address from ffm into the value field. Then click Save. Now I'll show you how to set up a custom subdomain by adding a CNAME record. In ffm, you'll follow the same process as before, but this time select subdomain. Enter your custom subdomain and click Next. In GoDaddy, click Add, set the type to CNAME, set the name to something like links, and paste the target URL from ffm into the value field. Then click Save. Once you're done, head back to ffm. These domain changes take up to 24 hours to fully update, so if your domain doesn't show up as active right away, that's totally normal. You can always check the status here in the dashboard. Once your domain is active, you're good to go. When you create a new smart link or action page, just go to the link URL section and select your custom domain. Now every link you share is fully branded to you. And that's it. Custom domains are the gold standard for professional artist marketing. And now you can set them up yourself in just a few steps. Give it a try on your next release, and we'll see you in the next one.